Hi guys, in today's video I will teach you how to eat a vegetable or meat chop properly using your hands, so let's start the video. It's actually quite simple, just grab the chop using your hand and take a bite. Take your time to chew the food and enjoy the flavors. Let me show you the inside. It's tasty and filling. The chops I am eating are made of lentil and shrimp. Next, I tried it out with tomato ketchup. I simply grabbed one and dipped it in that sauce. It kind of tasted sweet and soury with the sauce. Honestly, I like it this way as well. We usually find this kind of food in the streets of Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, and in many other countries as well. Don't forget to try it out if you like exploring different street foods. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.